Everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstrader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas now trading at a level of $2.89460, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, we have seen the natural gas price has already made a low of around $2.83, and this level we have seen in the month of October of 24. Okay, and if you look at this trend, there is a zone breakout has happened because this level we have seen in around, you can say it is almost 11 months the price has come touched this particular level. Okay, and if the price started falling below this particular level, chances are high it can move towards 2.7, and then a further fall can be seen because this 2.7 is already weak, so the price can go further down, and yes, after that the price can go further low towards $2.4. Okay, and now if the price started going above this level, suppose if it sustain above that level and moves above a level of 3.24, then we can see it can rise above that level, and then a further upside can be seen towards 3.5, and from there a further upside can be seen towards $3.68. This 3.68 is already being a strong level, so we can see if the price move above this level, a further upside can be seen, or if it can bounce back from this level. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, we can see there can be a further downfall because a level of around $4.8, this is the price we have seen in the month of Feb of 25. Okay, after that there is a continuous downfall. Okay, because of the elections we have seen the price was moving very volatile. Okay, because of the and this the time of tariff was there. These are the levels where the price of natural gas has moved sharp rise as well as fall. Otherwise, it was moving in this particular range for quite some time. Okay, a clear U pattern is formed. So you remember that if the price sustain above 3.68, we can see there can be a rise. Next strong support we can see is coming at a level of 3.17. Now it will act as a resistance because the price is below this level. These are the two levels. Okay, but if the price keep falling below this level, chances of going below a level of 2.6 we can see, and this is already weak, so we can see the price can move further low. Okay, now understand this is a weak chart. Okay, and overall trend you can see there is a downtrend we have seen. Okay, till the time it is not sustaining 3.17, and once started sustaining it can move towards 3.68 if the price keep moving above this level. Okay, the price of natural gas depends on a lot of factors. They see war situations, Fed interest rate, import and export. These are the some of the factors which create fluctuation in the price of natural gas, and dollar index is one of them. So I'll explain you with the help of dollar index, because see, dollar index and natural gas are inversely related to each other. So when the dollar index rises, we see the price of natural gas comes down, and when dollar index moves down, we see the natural gas price goes up. This is what we see. Let's see how the chart of dollar index is moving, because see, dollar index is playing an important role. The price now trading, and you can say it's trying to form a doji candle till now. Okay, and we have seen the change in the trend. If you look at this particular level, hammer is forming. After that, that is, we have seen a change in the dollar index. So suppose if it keeps sustaining this level, probability of moving towards 99.17 we can see, and from there it can move towards a level of 100.2, and then a further upside can be seen towards 100.8, and then a level of 101.9 can be seen, and then further higher. There is a probability if it keep moving above this level, but if you look at this pattern, a further downfall can be seen if it's keep moving below a level of around 97. 97 is a strong support, so we can see bounce back can come, or if it started falling below this level, it can move towards 96.3, and then a further downfall can be there. Okay, coming back on the natural gas price, what we can see, if you look at the natural gas price, it is continuously downtrend, and what we have seen in the dollar index, it is forming a doji candle, and if it keep moving above this level, a further upside can be seen. So as I've already explained you, when the dollar index rises, we see the natural gas price comes down. Okay, and plus the trend is continuously downside. Okay, as well as this particular frame, if you look at a monthly chart also, and this, there is a Hilliard waves is trying to create, as you can see looking at this trend. Okay, so we can see the price can move further fall. Okay, so chances can be high, a further fall can be seen. So we can see, suppose if it started falling below this level, it can move towards a level of around 2.79, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards $2.66. Okay, and if the price falling 2.66, we can see it can touch a level of 2.6, and this is already tested, so the price will move further low, and yes, after that the price can go towards a level of around 2.45, and then a further downfall can be seen towards $2.38. Okay, and suppose if the price falling below 2.38, a further fall can be seen towards $2. Okay, and then a further downfall can be seen towards $1.98. Okay, but suppose if it started sustaining above this level, what we can see, suppose if it started sustaining above this level, it can move towards a level of $3. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards 3.2. Okay, and once the price moving up that particular level, we can see the price can rise above that level, and it can touch a level of $3.39. And as I have already explained you that once the price sustaining above a level of 3.2 or 3.17, we can see the price can rise above that level, and from there a further high can be seen towards 3.54, and from there a further upside can be seen towards 3.67. Okay, and then a pattern can be found towards an upside, so we can see the price can rise towards 3.97, and then further high can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.